Alforque na atake, naglumipat. Si Calisaan able to score underneath.
A flow to their offense already where it's almost like a read and react situation when they don't run their sets.
Balik kay Pasaol, now with Faundo. Deo shoots and scores. Deo Timaho. Panganiban drives, leaves it for Calisaan. Dumps it to Ramos. Lead. Launches the three.
But I think the key there to that shot, he did not even hesitate after the extra pass by Aldrich. Pero to, Faundo will finish on the break.
Timaho. And Timaho able to Calisaan, the handoff to Sleet. Sleet attacks middle,
Nice.
finger roll, no good. Gets his own miss and he puts it back in. Escoto. Ubaldo. Pasaol inside.
Nice look.
To Ubaldo. By 13, Escoto. Pasaol against Sleet. Alvin carving space. Pasaol block.
Style of the week. Sa larong ito, ang daming magagandang hairstyle na, including coaches.
Who else? Yeah, may laban yan. Sports Plus is the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Scan the QR code to play or visit www.sportsplus.ph. 5 points para kay Aldrich Ramos. May ano na rin no? Pagpasok ni Aldrich joined the team.
Nice.
Ganda ng dukot. Di pumasok. Abadjano again.
Load game.
One-hander. Ramos with the block on Faundo. Batibato.
And with the cut right there. Nice find by GP.
Lead for three. Nothing but net. Ganda pa naman ng mga sapatos.
Hindi pa pwedeng pang pickleball yung mga ganyan.
Actually pwede. Actually pwede. Harold Alarcon in and out and in again.
And walang duda, no? Pagpasok niya, unang tanggap, pasok kagad yung transition. Nice find.
There's Harold Alarcon again.
Good
Gets
pass.
it to Dexter Marquez from Harold Alarcon. 11 na 19 points ang hinahabol dito ng Marikina. Bola ulit ng San Juan. Wamar makes his move, drops it to Villapanto for two. For San Juan, great execution.
A simple play off the inbounds. The pass to handoff and slip. As Berger hits a three.
No.
Di ba meron yung taga Iloilo dati?
Siya yan. Mix Gomez.
Oh my
Mix
God!
Gomez.
Oh my God!